75% of our world is water, 25% is dry land. Surprisingly, no one has seen this 25% of land yet. An estimate suggests over half the land remains unexplored. This unexplored part includes Asia Pacific, dense forests and remote deserts. At least we know what these places are, but the largest part, the ocean, is mostly unknown to humans. We are unsure of ocean depths, marine life, and deep sea secrets. Welcome back. The ocean's depth is beyond our imagination. According to researchers and scientists, if we cut all mountains, land, and buildings and put them in the sea, we'd be 3 kilometers underwater. Let's start at the surface to examine this estimate. Scuba divers reach depths of 40 meters. At 93 meters, we find the Lusitania, sunk in 1915. At 100 meters, it becomes very dangerous for divers. Divers risk bodily harm from water pressure. Yet, Herbert Nitsch free-dived to 214 meters, a world record. Nitsch achieved this in one breath. At 332 meters, we find the scuba diving world record. This record was set by Ahmed Gaber, an Egyptian. If Gaber went 111 meters deeper, he'd reach 443 meters. This depth is as high as New York's Empire State Building. At 500 meters deep, we find the world's largest animal, the blue whale. The blue whale weighs 1,500,000 kilograms. Blue whales can dive to depths of 500 meters while swimming. Even high-tech US nuclear submarines can't reach 500 meters deep. At this point, water pressure begins to show its effects. At 535 m, the pressure is like a large cow standing on you. Emperor penguins can withstand this pressure, diving to 535 meters. At 830 m, you'd find the world's tallest building upside down, Burj Khalifa. This is where sunlight can still penetrate the ocean depths. At 1000 m, we enter the midnight zone, an area of terror. Below this, sunlight can't reach, only darkness is visible. Here, water pressure is 1500 psi, like an elephant standing on a pebble. Surprisingly, giant squid, terrifying deep-sea creatures live here. At 1280 meters, we encounter the leatherback sea turtle. This turtle is the largest of all sea turtles, weighing up to 700 kilograms. At 2000 meters deep, we see black dragonfish. They're only visible by their bioluminescent flashes in the dark. Their eyes are so powerful they can see easily in the darkness. A bit deeper, at 2,250 meters, we'll encounter a terrifying creature resembling a giant bat. This monstrous bat is 14 meters long, weighs 750 kilograms, and has eyes as big as dinner plates. It has long teeth around its eyes to catch prey. These giant bats are natural enemies of regular bats. This monster can easily catch and kill 2 large bats. The marks on a dead bat's body are from this predator's net-like trap. The ocean's depth is just the beginning of our journey. At 3,800 meters deep, we find the famous Titanic's wreckage. 200 meters deeper is an area known as the abyssal zone. Water pressure here is 11,000 psi, like an eagle standing on a coin. Strange creatures inhabit these depths, including various types of deep-sea fish. At 4,781 meters, we find sunken World War II battleships. At 6,000 meters, we enter the Hadal zone. Named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld, ancient Greeks believed Hades took souls to the ocean's depths, their version of hell. Here, pressure is 11,000 times that at the surface. This pressure could crush a car instantly. At 6,500 meters, we see US Navy research vessels. One is DSV-LV, the deep-sea vessel that found the Titanic. At 8,848 meters, you could submerge Mount Everest completely. Then, at a depth of 10,898 meters, just like in 2012, he could reach that depth on his vessel. But in 1960, Dawn Walsh and Jacques Piccard were able to go even deeper. They reached a depth of 10,960 meters on the Trieste. It took 5 hours to get there, but the water pressure was so intense that part of the vessel burst, forcing them to surface immediately. At 10,972 meters deep, it's like commercial aviation altitudes. Looking down from the window feels surreal, with so much ocean floor visible. Finally, The maximum depth humans can reach deeper than commercial flights is 11,000 meters. In the deep sea, an explorer named Victor Vescovo worked with deep sea submersibles. The deepest part of the ocean near Guam is 300 kilometers deep. Researchers believe this isn't the true depth limit, just the furthest we can currently reach. What we've seen in the deep sea is only about 5% of it all. In other words, 95% of the deep sea and its secrets remain unknown to us. We hope you enjoyed and will share. Thanks for your comments. See you in our next exciting video.